So, about 9 months ago, I purchased a VMax from auction, and it obviously lived on the coast. I want to show you now what WD40's done to help me do this project, which I never knew about before. Now this switch unit here has not had anything done to it. And this unit here, once again, is fairly oxidized too. But take a look at the engine. Compared to the other images, a lot of that surface oxidation and corrosion is gone. Right? And all I did was spray it with WD-40. Don't believe me? Have a look at the other side here. I thought I was going to have to take it out and paint it. But that's an acceptable level of finish at the moment for this job. So WD-40, you saved me from taking the engine out of the chassis and having to repaint it. That's something I never knew WD-40 could do.